Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another video. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. So I am currently in my bathroom. For those of you guys who don't know, I recently just moved into a bigger penthouse, which I absolutely love. It is like my dream home. So I haven't had the chance to just settle in. So I have like two big buckets where I have all of my bathroom stuff. I'm going to be organizing it and putting it away today. So I'm so excited to do that. I feel like that's the best part about moving. It's like you get to start fresh. You get to reorganize everything, and I personally love organizing. So in today's video, I will just be organizing all of my stuff, cleaning my shower, cleaning my toilet, just doing like a cleaning and setting up my new bathroom. I will be doing a separate video on decorating my bathroom with me. I recently just ordered some stuff from Amazon, Target, and some other department stores. So stay tuned for the decorate with me video that will be coming right after this video. So if you want to go ahead and see how I clean and set up my new restroom, just keep watching. I have a lot of stuff right now on my sink. My makeup is pretty organized. I'm going to keep that here for now. I did recently just purchase a vanity, but I'm just waiting on some containers to come in, and then I will be moving all of this and maybe just adding like a nice plant here. I do also have my soap and lotion here. I do also want to get new ones of those. And then I just have a couple stuff here already laid out, ready to be put in these cabinets. So this is what I'm working with today. So I love how these are drawers here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my clear organizers and put them in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my hair stuff in this cabinet here. I first like to start off by dusting everything and then also wiping everything down. Today I will be using this Meyers cleaner. This is one of my favorite cleaners. I do also like to use microfiber towels to go ahead and clean all of my cabinets. And there's the Dora being in the way. I just finished this section, so in here I put all of my treatments. So just my mask, I only have one. I need to go ahead and restock on all of my hair care, which I will be doing soon. So then I have my shampoos there, dry conditioner and dry shampoo, and then I have all of my shower caps here. These are the disposable ones. I usually just like to use those when I travel places, and then these are my reusable ones. I have two hair clips there, and then these are all of my serums and oils, and then those are my heat protectors and then hairsprays. So this little container, I got it from Shein. I put my hair clips at the bottom, all of my rubber bands, bobby pins, and then these clips here. And then I also have my hair bands on top, and I'm gonna just be putting this at the bottom. I then have this container here. I got this one from Target. They are stackable. I will link them down below. They do also have multiple sizes, which they're the ones I use here. These ones are the smaller ones. These ones are $3. I feel like these are a steal, and these are also stackable. And then this is the bigger one. These ones are about $6 to $7. I can't remember. But I'm using this one for all of my hairbrushes. And then in here, I actually have extra rubber bands, and then just my glove for my hot tools. And then on this section here, I'm gonna start putting all of my hot tools. I'm so happy that everything fit perfect. I feel like I could even maximize the space. So if I do end up buying more hair products, I can always buy more of these and just stack them up. I feel like down here, I can also use like one more of these if I need to put any other things, and then just kind of stack those up. And there's also more space towards the back, so I can always move those as well. And for this bottom section here, I'm just putting some extra makeup brushes and my shampoo for my brushes. And then this is all nail stuff, press on nails. And I do have some eyelashes down here. And then in here, I just have all my tampons. I do have only 3 razors. I don't really use razors anymore, but I just have them there. I do get lasered. And then this is all of my teeth stuff. So I have my toothbrush and also toothpaste, and then all my whitening strips. And I think I'm gonna get one more of these. I love these since it has the drawers. And then in here, I have all my travel size hair care, and I have more disposable hair caps there. I just organized this bin. So this is all of my skincare, travel size, shaving cream, and just everything that I use for traveling. So I put all of that here. And do you guys see how these ones are stackable? So these ones are so convenient. And I am now done with this section. This section is also perfect. I feel like I can also maximize the space in the future if I need to do so. So this is the next section that I have to go ahead and organize. I'm gonna just be putting all of my bath bombs in here and everything for the bathtub. And I'm also gonna put some of my towels. I did also put my face steamer in here and then some extra hand soaps that I have. As for now, all of this is good here, but I do plan to buy a shelf unit for my bathtub, like right next to my tub, and put like a cute jar, add all my bath bombs, exfoliate, sea salts, and all of that. I do also need to buy some new towels. I want to go ahead and change up the color in here. So I used to have pink before in my old restroom. I'm thinking of doing maybe a pop of olive green, like maybe this type of green, or like a brown color. Not sure what color I'm going to be doing yet. I recently just bought this electric spin scrubber. I used to use this to clean my tubs and my showers. So I found this on Amazon. I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna be using it today to clean my shower. And the shower that I actually have, it's a lot bigger than the one I used to have. So I was like, okay, it's finally time for me to invest into one of these. I like how it comes with different like scrubs. So this one is perfect for like the corners, the edges, and it also comes with this bigger one here. So you can go ahead and switch them out, and it also comes with this smaller one here. So my favorite thing in this bathroom is the bathtub. It is so big, it's beautiful, and I also have a beautiful view. So I have a view there. But I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this bathtub. I do plan on taking a bath soon, and I have not taken a bath, so I wanna make sure it's nice and clean. started off by removing everything. I did put already some multi-purpose cleaner in there. I have a really big shower, so it's gonna be a little hard to clean the entire thing, but I'm so happy that I got that electric scrub. I'm gonna start off by cleaning that section right over there, and then I'm gonna move into the other side. So my shower is now nice and clean. I recently just ordered some more of those containers in there for shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I do have a couple more things here, which I'm gonna go ahead and buy something for that corner, maybe like these clear shelves that go here, so I can put the rest of that, and maybe here I'll just put like cute decorations. So then now going into the toilet room, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the toilet. I do also wanna put like a little table here, so I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. I wanna get a new trash can. So I just finished cleaning my restroom. Everything looks nice and clean and it feels fresh. Make sure you guys stay tuned for decorating my bathroom with me. I will be doing that video soon. And I am so happy for that electronic brush. It honestly saved me so much more time. It was just super fast, easy. I will make sure to link it down below in the description box, as well as every other item I showed you guys in this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.